Hi, in this video I will show you how to configure router as a DHCP server. Here you can see a web browser with FIFA.com domain name is connected to 1.1 network and a DNS server 3.2 IP address is connected into 3.1 network. Similarly, a web browser with domain name ipl.in is connected into 3.1 network, and the router 6 and router 7 is configured by using RIP routing protocol. Here I am going to configure DHCP server in router 6. Firstly, you will enter into the global configuration mode. Then you enter IP. You will create a DHCP pool. IP DHCP pool. You give a name to this pool. I give it my net 1. Then you give a default router. Default router IP address. Here PC1 web browser FIFA.com and PC2 is connected into the 1.1 network. So I giving the default router 192.168.1.1 is the default gateway of PC1 and PC2. Then you will give a DNS server IP address. DNS here you can see DNS IP address 192.168.3.2. Then you will give a network IDs. Network 192.168.1.0 255.255.255.0. You can exclude some IP addresses. It is configured by using IP DHCP exclude. Here I'm excluding some ranges. It is given to the web browser, web server. So it is 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.5. Similarly, you create a pool for this network 3.1 network. So I'm creating it IP DHCP pool my net 2. Sorry, here spelling mistake. Pool my net 2. Then you will give a default router. Default router address for this net 3.0 network is 3.1 192.168.3.1. Then you will give a DNS server address DNS 192.168.3.2. Then you will give a network ID 192.168.3.0, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Similarly, you can exclude some IP address. It is given to DNS server and web server. IP DHCP IP DHCP exclude 92.168.3.0, 3.1 to 192.168.3.5. You can configure it by booting on DHCP. Yeah, you can get 192.168.1.6 is the IP address of PC1. Similarly, you can get IP address for PC2. Here it is got 1.7. It is excluded 1.1 to 1.5. If you enable here, what happens? Yeah, it's failed because this got only APIPA, automatic private IP address. What is the reason? Here you can see this router have no information about DHCP server, so we will relay from this router 7 to DHCP server. It is configured by using enable config t. I am giving a command IP helper. For this interface we will give the interface that is connected to these devices. It is gigabit Ethernet 0/1. So entering into this interface G0/1 IP helper address 192.168. Here you can see DHCP server is connected by using 2.1 interface. So it is given here 2.1. If you booting on, what happened? Yeah, it's got 3.1 to 3.5 is excluded, so we get 3.6. Similarly, here you can got it. Yeah, it's got. You can add IPL.in domain web server into the DNS server. So I'm adding to this. Here firstly you will give a domain name www.ipl.in and you give the IP address 192.168.3.3 and save. If you search from this web browser, what will happen? www.ipl.in. Yeah, it's got. Similarly, you can search the FIFA web browser, www.fifa.com. Yeah, it's got. Similarly, you can search from 1.1 network from PC1, www.ipl.in. Yeah, it's got. Here you can understand this PC1 guy and PC2 guy or PC3 laptop 0 have no information about the web browser IP address. They have only know what is the domain name. By using domain name, he get the web browser fifa.com and web browser ipl.in. So I concluding my topic. Bye.